All right, hey class, this is Captain Mitchell here, military science instructor. I'm going to do a little video review from our practical today. In this video, we're going to be discussing question 2. Question 2 is asking us to find the straight line distance in yards from Regensburg City to Nisqually Bridge. And we gave the grid zones of where to find those two features. So the first thing I'm going to do is just identify the two terrain features that we're looking for. And I know that Regensburg City is in Echo Tango 3103. So I'm going to find 31. And now I know that I'm looking at Echo Tango, so I'm going to be on the north half of the map above the 00. And then I find there 03. So I'm going to follow that across. And there's my grid square. So there's that black dot right there. That's going to be the Regensburg Mach City. And the second point that I need to find is a bridge called Nisqually Bridge. I know that's in Echo Tango 2703. So I'm going to find the 27. And then I also know that up here is the 03 right there. So I know this is the bottom left hand corner of the grid square I'm looking in. And Nisqually Bridge is right here. You can see the bridge right there where it crosses the river. Okay, so what I'm going to do is use a piece of scratch paper. In this case, I'm going to use this index card here. And I'm going to put that in between the 2 points. There's Regensburg City, and there's Nisqually Bridge. And I'm just going to make tick marks on the 2 different points. I'm going to put the phone down for a second while I draw the tick marks. All right, you can see that I've drawn my tick marks, and I've tried to be as precise as I can right there on the Regensburg City, and there's the second one right on the Nisqually River Bridge. All right, and I know the question is asking me to find the straight line distance, so as a crow flies, in yards. So I need to go down to my bar scales and find the bar scale for yards. See, it's the second one down. And I take that same index paper, and I'm gonna slide it until I go as far as I can. See, that's not gonna work because I want a part of it to be on the left side of that 0. So I'm gonna go the highest whole interval that I can on the right side, which is 3,000, and then I'll measure the additional portion on the left. So I've got 3,000 from the 0, and then from the 0 to the left, I'm going to count those squares. So I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I know that the straight line distance in yards is 3,600 yards. Hope this helps.